आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं आरपी यादव, फर्स्ट क्लास माइंस मैनेजर, जे एजुकेशन गाइड में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम एसएमपी के ऊपर चर्चा करेंगे। यह है हाउ टू प्रिपेयर ए सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट प्लान। फर्स्ट, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट यूजिंग एज ए टूल ऑफ एसएमएस, सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। For the preparation of safety management system, we shall have to use risk management as a tool. This includes hazards identification and risk assessment. Hazards have physical entity and this can be seen. जो hazard होता है वो हमको दिखाई देता है। Wherever there is a hazard, there is risk involved. जहाँ पर hazard है वहाँ पर risk involved है। Risk cannot be seen but it can be estimated. In preparation of safety management system, we have to identify a hazard and estimate risk. After identification of hazard, risk can be estimated. After this, we can adopt procedure for risk management. Therefore, safety is assured. अब हम देखते हैं सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट प्लान कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे। ए ग्रुप ऑफ माइंस प्रोड्यूसिंग 30 मिलियन टन पर एनम ऑफ ओर। फॉर द एबव प्रोडक्शन इट इज़ क्लियर दैट द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ए ग्रुप ऑफ माइंस इज वेरी हाई। देयरफॉर द एसएमपी शुड बी केयरफुली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर सच ए ग्रुप ऑफ माइंस। दिस विल इन्वॉल्व द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स। फर्स्ट, ऑब्जेक्टिव for guidelines. Second, structures. Third, strategic level. Fourth, management level. Fifth, operational level. Sixth, hazard identification and risk assessment. Seventh, elaboration of process. In fact, safety management includes 6 steps for preparation. First step, management's role. Safety policy of management, management's responsibility and commitment. Step 2, hazard identification and risk assessment, statistical technique, identification of causes and priority selections. Step 3, development of risk management action plan. In this case, there will be 3 components, that is consequence, एक्सपोजर, प्रोबेबिलिटी। अब हम रिस्क स्कोर कैसे निकालेंगे, उसके लिए फार्मूला है रिस्क स्कोर इजकल टू कंसेक्वेंस इंटू एक्सपोजर इंटू प्रोबेबिलिटी। DGMS हैज गिवन स्केल फॉर ऑल दीज 3 एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम विच द रिस्क स्कोर कैन बी फाउंड आउट। स्टेप 4, सेफ्टी सिस्टम ऑडिट। Step 5, review by monitoring committee. Step 6, repetition of all the process. For these we can prepare the SMP of a group of mines. अब हम चर्चा करेंगे रोल ऑफ ISO, इंटरनल सेफ्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड रोल ऑफ ट्राइपार्टाइट कमेटी, रोल ऑफ बाइपार्टाइट कमेटी फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ SMP. First, role of ISO. The role of ISO is to examine the safety status in the mines and improve upon it. Role of tripartite committee. Such committee will frame safety policy at corporate level and give suggestion for implementation. Third है role of bipartite committee. सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट प्लान प्रिपरेशन के लिए बाईपार्टाइट कमेटी का क्या रोल है। Bipartite committee work in the unit level and some is upper level. They will provide data and suggestion for preparation of SMP safety management plan. अब हम चर्चा करेंगे ऑक्यूपेशनल हेल्थ सर्विलेंस के ऊपर, OHS. This means detailed survey of the health of a person employed in an occupation. In our case, it is mining. In fact, surveillance means very close watch or survey in details of the issues. Code of occupational health for a group of mines producing 35 million ton per annum. This will include the following issues. First, a good organization for doing occupational health surveillance. This will includes expert person for doing occupational health. Second, there will be sufficient backup of infrastructures, instrumentations, testing facilities, other support for conducting occupational health surveillance. Since it is a group of mines producing 35 million ton per annum, which is quite high, the earlier mentioned facility should be sufficient populations and services suiting to new generation health survey. All these items mentioned and recommended with the 10th National Safety Conference should be covered in occupational health surveillance. For this, there will be adequate arrangement and necessary backup. अब हम चर्चा करेंगे रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ 10th नेशनल सेफ्टी कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन सेफ्टी एंड हेल्थ इन माइंस. फर्स्ट, noise mapping in various workplaces where noise level is more than 85 dBA. Second, vibration study of various mining machineries before introduction into mining operations as per ISO standards. Third, ergonomical assessment of all the machineries as per ISO standards. This should include first, assessment of work process, second, assessment of working aids and tools, third, assessment of working postures, fourth, potability test of drinking water to be done at the source every year immediately after rainy seasons. Fifth, IME, initial medical examination to be done for all workers, whether they are permanent, temporary or contractual work person. 6. PME, periodical medical examination to be done every 3 years for persons over 45 years old and also in the year before retirement. 7th, standard of medical examination for both IME and PME to be modified as suggested in 10th नेशनल सेफ्टी कॉन्फ्रेंस. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. धन्यवाद.